Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Honda Accord LXS. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Honda has less than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.